شفاء صدور فاض وعطر كل لسان وهو
Assalamualaikum guys, so we are back on our channel, that's Nidha vlog. So today हम जा रहे हैं पहलगाम with my family. ओजू को भी तो देखना था, पहाड़ जैसे देखना आपको ओजू? Mountains. You want to go to mountains? Say hi. Say hi. Okay. So we are moving towards Pahalgham right now.
I've been ungrateful for much my life. I wasn't faithful for all this time. I feel ashamed, Lord, for the things I've done since I've been falling.
अभी हम चांदपुरा पहुंचे. Let's purchase some things from here and we'll move on to Pahalgam then. See you guys.
I lost my way, Lord, left from your side when chasing this world. Didn't guard my eyes. I've been afraid for the things I've done, so now I'm calling you this time. 'Cause oh Allah, on this journey I come running to you. Oh please put my heart at ease, oh Allah bring me to you. I've been falling for all my life. I've been waiting for you now. 'Cause I haven't had peace in so long, and I couldn't seem to go on, but now I can feel it through you. And I will never and ever forsake anything, and I'll follow this path back to you. Oh Lord, my heart couldn't see all the truth of this life. I was caught in this world with a seal on my eyes. Then Allah, you showed me all the truth of this life. Now I'll follow this path till the end of my time. Oh, 'cause my heart couldn't see all the truth of this life. I was caught in this world with a seal on my eyes. Then Allah, you showed me all the truth of this life. Now I'll follow this path till the end of my time. Allahumma inni as'aluka al-huda wat-tuqa wal-'afafa wal-ghina. Allahumma inni as'aluka al-huda wat-tuqa wal-'afafa wal-ghina. Allahumma
Guys, we are in Pahalgam right now, so we have reached the place. Now we have to find our this hotel, that's Paristan Hotel. We are moving towards the hotel right now. So guys, we have reached our place, that's Paristan Resort. We have reached our hotel now.
Did you look at the night, see the light of the moon? Did you look at the sun, giving you warmth? Did you look at the sky? Are you falling in love? It
It is from the Creator. You can't get enough. He is everywhere, and He knows we stay. Yes, He knows. Yes, He knows. He knows. You've got the world in your hands. He's the one who we're thanking for life. He is a Rahman.
So my kid is still sleeping. It's morning 7:30 in Pahalgham. I thought that today I will just kind of explore this place. But the thing is that it's still raining. You can see it out there.
He'll never leave you behind, 'cause He's the one that always makes things better. And He's the one that always lives forever. He's everywhere. He knows we stay. Yes, He knows. Yes, He knows. You've got the world in your hands. You've gotta thank Him for life. He is a Rahman. He is a Rahman. From where you're standing, look around yourself. Feel the love around you. You can't even tell.